Bluehost review. So what is going on, guys? Welcome to my Bluehost review video. So today we're going to be going through everything you need to know about Bluehost, giving you a honest Bluehost review. So we're going to be going through all the details, all the nitty-gritties, and pretty much giving you everything you need to know to make an informed decision to see if Bluehost is going to be right for you and your web hosting needs. So with that being said, let's get started with today's video. And let me just move my face out of the way for you so you can actually see my screen. Now, if you guys click the top link down below in the video description, you can check out the latest pricing plans for Bluehost, just to make sure that it's up to date for you. And obviously, you can get a discount down below. So click the top link down below in the video description to come to this page, and you can get yourself a bit of a discount as well. Now, if we go over here, this is the official Bluehost website, so you can click here to get started. And as you can see right here, this pricing right here is in Australian dollars. So if you're from the United States, or quite frankly anywhere throughout the world, you know this pricing is going to be in your own currency, just so you know that in advance, right? So if we go over here, Bluehost offers shared hosting, VPS hosting, and dedicated hosting, and they offer WordPress hosting, and a lot of other different services as well. So if we go over to WordPress right here, you know, this is literally WordPress.org's, you know, WordPress web hosting recommendations. As you can see, Bluehost is on top of the list right here, you know, powering over 2 million websites. Bluehost offers the ultimate WordPress platform, tuned for WordPress. We offer WordPress-centric dashboards and tools, along with one-click installations, free domain, email, FTP, and more. So essentially, you know, they offer great support and offer all these features. This is literally WordPress.org themselves recommending this as the #1 web hosting service, and then they offer DreamHost and SiteGround as well, which is pretty cool. So I want to quickly let you guys know about that as well. So if we go back over here, we can click on get started right here to check out their pricing plans. So as you can see right here, you know, Bluehost offers a bunch of different pricing plans, which is why I wanted you guys to click the top link down below so you can actually see these pricing plans yourselves. But as you can see right here, you know, the basic plan right here, you know, again, this is in Australian currency, so keep that in mind. Again, just click the top link down below to see, you know, the pricing plans in your own currency, wherever you are throughout the world. But as you can see right here, you know, with the basic plan, you get one website, you get 50 gigs of storage, you get bandwidth, free SSL certification, standard performance, 1 domain included, 5 park domains, and 25 subdomains with the basic plan. So if you're just building like a starter website, if you're just building like a basic site from scratch, then the basic plan is going to be perfect for you. You won't have to get, you know, the plus plan or any of these other different plans because you're only building one website, right? Maybe your first website, so it won't matter too much. Now, with the plus plans, choice, you know, plus plan and the pro plan, they offer unlimited websites right here. So unlimited website, limited websites, unlimited websites, which is cool. So obviously with the pro plan right here, you get 2 spam experts. This is where these plans start to like become a bit different from each other, obviously excluding the basic plan right here. So obviously you can see right here, got the Office 360 mailbox plan, which is something to do with like Microsoft Office right here for this plus plan right here. With this plan right here, you get the Code Guard Basic, and you get the Microsoft Office bonus as well right here as well. And with the pro plan, you get a site backup, you know, Code Guard Basic as well. You get a dedicated IP, which is very, very unique. And you get, you know, obviously that little bonuses right here as well for Microsoft Office, and yeah, that's pretty much how it goes. So far in today's Bluehost review video, we've covered the pricing plans, you know, what they actually offer in each individual plan. We've covered so far that WordPress.org themselves recommend Bluehost as one of the top web host companies that they can use with WordPress. So now that we've covered like some of the essentials, I'm going to go through this in a lot more detail as well in just a moment. I want to kind of like show you the back end of Bluehost themselves. So like, you know, the dashboard, how it all works, because what I really like about Bluehost, as WordPress themselves, you know, have stated, with Bluehost, you know, it's pretty much a one-click installation. So you can install WordPress using Bluehost really easily, and I want to show you like, you know, the back end of what to expect once you actually get Bluehost for yourself. Alright, so as you can see, we are inside of the Bluehost dashboard right here, because this really wouldn't be a Bluehost review video if we didn't actually go through the Bluehost dashboard itself. So as you can see, I'm actually using Bluehost right here. So obviously you can see a list of all your websites right here. That's going to be like, you know, the dashboard right here. You can go over here to view your website and to access WordPress. And again, Bluehost is very compatible with WordPress. It's a one-click installation. I think it's just pretty much automated at this point. So obviously you can basically, you know, go through the launch checklist right here for your first website. You can go to my sites and see your full website list. You can go to Marketplace and buy things. So this is again like, you know, what you can actually do inside of the Bluehost dashboard. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much a brief overview of the dashboard inside of Bluehost. And again, you can pretty much, you know, go at the top right here, click on view my site, and you go and, you know, go through WordPress to add your website using Bluehost as your hosting provider. So that's pretty much, you know, a inside look at what the Bluehost dashboard looks like and what you can actually expect. You know, it's pretty awesome. So yeah. Alright, so we just covered the Bluehost dashboard and what you can actually expect inside of your Bluehost dashboard when you actually get started with Bluehost. So now that we're back on this page, I just want to click on select right here. Let's just choose a plan real quick. And this is going to be the page where you'll set up your domain with your website and your web hosting. So let's just say I wanted the domain, please don't take my domain.com, just a random domain name, right? You can put this right here, or if you have your domain that you want to connect with your web hosting account under Bluehost, then you can go ahead and do that right here. Or hey, maybe you don't have a you know, domain, or you don't know what to, you know, name your website yet. You can always click on I'll create my domain later, and you can skip that part and just go on to like set up your WordPress website. So let's just click on next for an example, just for this video. So we'll be taken to the next step, and this is where you can sign up for your Bluehost account. Now, I don't want to go through this in too much detail. It's pretty self-explanatory, just putting your information. You can choose which plan you want to go with right here. You can go down below and you can, add all these package extras. You don't have to really. The only thing I would recommend that you add to your website in regards to web hosting for privacy protections for your domain is to make sure that you have this enabled, just so you have domain privacy and protection, so no one can look up your personal information within the Whois database. So obviously, without domain privacy, let's just say your name was John Smith, your information, all that personal information is going to be public. With domain privacy, all that information is going to be pretty much, not available to the public, and it's just going to be replaced with Whois, Bluehost, and all type of stuff. So if you already have a domain name with Namecheap, for example, this probably won't be an issue. It depends if you're getting a free domain or not with your Bluehost account. It all depends if you're getting a free domain name with Bluehost or not, or if you're getting a domain name with Bluehost right here. So that's up to you. But yeah, that's pretty much the process of creating your account. So now that we've covered pretty much the essentials inside of our Bluehost review, I want to go through the pros and cons real quick. So first of all, let's go with the pros. Their pricing is really, really good. They have a reliable service. The WordPress is recommended. They have a very fast load time, which is awesome. You get a free domain with Bluehost. When it comes to the cons, they have a pretty high renewal rate because basically, you get a free domain for the first year, but after that, you have to basically renew your domain, which is annoying. So if you want to avoid that, renewal rate through Bluehost, you can just go with a domain provider like Namecheap. I'll leave a link down below to Namecheap as well if you want to check that out, and you can avoid that con right off the bat. But that's going to be up to you. It's not too much of a handicap, but it is something that I wanted to let you know, right? And another con right here that I don't really like, I don't like these package extras and stuff. They try to upsell you and stuff. Some of these upsells are decent. I can't say they're not. But at the end of the day, you just need domain privacy protection, and that's really it. And again, if you go through Namecheap, which I'll leave a link down below as well for your domain, you can get free Whois protection completely for free. Now, when it comes to my final conclusion or whether or not you should get Bluehost as your web hosting provider, I would say yes for a number of reasons, mainly because they're reliable, because they are powering quite a number of websites throughout the web. This is their old website layout, so powering over 2 million websites. We'll go back over here. Bluehost have updated their website, so it looks a lot more cleaner and professional, so I can't actually find that statistic. But again, if we go back to the old website layout, powering over 2 million websites, it literally says it right here. So again, quick disclaimer, I can't confirm if this is actually, the exact amount or how much websites they're powering throughout the internet, because I don't know. I'm not Bluehost themselves. There's going to be very minimal downtime, if any downtime at all, okay? And yeah, guys, that's why I would strongly recommend Bluehost as your web hosting provider for today's video. So I hope this has helped you make an informed decision. I hope you feel more confident about Bluehost. If you do want to watch more review videos, for example, my SiteGround review video or my HostGator review video, those are other alternative web hosting solutions apart from Bluehost. I'll leave a link down below to those videos in the video description for you. And if you enjoyed today's video and you want to actually go ahead and get Bluehost and start using it for your web hosting needs, then you can click the top link down below in the video description to come to this page, and you can get started with today's video as well. And if you want to get a domain name with Namecheap, I'll leave a link down below to that as well. But yeah, again, all the resources pretty much mentioned in today's video, including Bluehost obviously, so you can get started right now, will be left down below in the video description for your convenience. And with that being said, guys, thanks for watching my Bluehost review video. I hope you gained a lot of value. If you did enjoy today's video, make sure to leave a like and comment down your thoughts down below in the comment section below this video. And that's pretty much it for today's video. Thanks for watching my Bluehost review.